In less than a week, OpenClaw has completely changed the way I run my business. Most business owners are running their entire content operation manually, writing every post, creating every asset, responding to every comment like it's 2019. Meanwhile, I built an entire fleet of AI agents that run those systems for me 24/7 while I sleep. The problem is, most people think that AI agents are complicated, so they stay stuck spending 15 to 20 hours per week on content tasks that could be automated in under an hour. And every hour you spend manually creating content is an hour you spend not closing deals or building your business. In this video, I'm giving you access to my 5 AI agent team that runs my entire content and lead generation system. So you can reclaim 15 plus hours a week, never miss a trend again, and turn your content into warm leads on autopilot. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Duncan Rogoff. I'm a former art director for brands like Apple, PlayStation, and Nissan, and I now run a 6-figure AI agency. In under 12 months, I've grown a following of over 110,000 people, and I lead a community called The Build Room where more than 2,000 are already using AI to grow their audience and generate leads for their business in under 3 hours per week. Everything I show you today, the system prompts, the Python scripts, is available for you in the link in the description so you can deploy these agents in an afternoon. So focus in, close all your open tabs, and let's build. So here we are inside of OpenClaw, and it's not much to look at. So basically today, I'm going to walk you through what each of these agents does, kind of the results you can expect. I'm going to show you my results across my different social media channels, and then I'm going to show you how you can use all of the resources available to you inside the community to set these up yourself. So like I said, since OpenClaw isn't like an automation system like N8N or Make.com, there isn't like that visual interface. Like everything is done and built by code. So if you haven't set up OpenClaw before, check out this video right here where I show you how to deploy it on a VPS, which is super safe and secure and easy to set up in just a single click. But if you've already gotten set up with this, you should be seeing an interface like this inside of your browser. And basically the things we're going to be talking about today are these agents over here on this left side panel. And you can see I have 14 of these agents configured. I'm going to show you my top 5 today. So each one of these agents basically has a set of files, tools, and skills that it uses to accomplish certain tasks. The main things I'm just going to be showing you today are these agent files, particularly this Soul MD file. And if you've been building like custom GPTs or Claude projects or things like that, this is essentially akin to like a system prompt. This is essentially how you want your agent to behave. But the reason why platforms like OpenClaw are so powerful is these things called cron jobs, which are basically scheduled tasks. So essentially you can create this system prompt that executes at a certain time of day. It has access to all sorts of scripting and coding. You can basically have it execute things in code on a schedule that you set. And so like if every morning I want to go ahead and I want to make a LinkedIn post, I can just have this happen automatically for me. So that's essentially how this works at a high level. The first agent that I'm giving you access to today is the orchestrator. This is the top level agent. I recommend every single person sets up one of these. What this agent does, basically it'll receive a task or it'll receive a task from you, the user, like you type to it or you talk to it. It's going to identify which one of the sub agents should handle that task. It's going to spawn or spin up that agent. It's going to send the agent all of the information that it needs, and then it's going to get the results from the agent and then share the results with you, the user. The reason why this orchestrator is so powerful is because it makes your whole system so much more efficient, way more cost effective to run. Basically what happens is you give the orchestrator all of the information about you and your business and you as a user, your audience, anything that you want, right? And so then what it's doing is it's only passing the relevant information to the sub agent. So inside of a sub agent, like this lead magnet creator, basically this one is really only using the system prompt and a couple of scripts to execute on its task. And so you're not bloating the system with information that your sub agents don't need. And so if you want to install the orchestrator agent yourself, basically just come in here. You can go ahead and click this link. It's going to open up a Google Doc for you. You can just feed it this information. You can literally copy and paste this into your OpenClaw chat and say, hey, I want to set up an orchestrator agent like this. And that's really all you have to do. And it's just going to understand that now when you talk to it and give it a task, it's going to route that to an agent that's appropriate to handle it. So this is kind of just a best practice. It's not the most sexy one, but it's going to save you a lot of headache. The next agent I want to talk about is the lead magnet agent. This thing has been killing it for me recently. So these are a couple of posts on LinkedIn that I use for this. This one got almost 5,000 impressions. It got 300 comments, 100 reactions, things like that. This one, almost 2,000 impressions, 100 comments. And so if I come over here into Notion, this is the lead magnet that I gave out for free. So basically, this is a prompt pack of 20 prompts for business owners using the new Claude Sonnet 4.6. So it has things like SOP redundancy filter, the content library gap audit, client email pattern extractor, and it's just this list of 20 prompts. So something like this is a really great lead magnet. These perform really, really well on platforms like LinkedIn, especially when you're talking about kind of like the newest, latest, and greatest kind of in AI, which in this case is Sonnet 4.6. And everybody wants a prompt because people like things that they can literally just copy and paste, which again is what I'm giving you here today. So if you want access to the lead magnet generator, come into the community. Same thing. You get access to this full system prompt that'll show you how to set up a lead magnet agent inside of OpenClaw. But why this thing is so freaking powerful is that this agent basically created this entire prompt pack based off of my audience, based off of what's trending right now, which is Claude 4.6. And I basically just said to it, hey, make me a lead magnet for today. But the other thing that it does is it also goes ahead and it creates 3 variations of a LinkedIn post. So variation number 1, the pattern interrupt. Anthropic dropped Claude Sonnet 4.6 this morning. I upgraded my entire agent stack by noon. And you can see here, if you spent any time on LinkedIn, like this is kind of like a standard format, right? Like, here's why I didn't wait, these kind of bullet points, the kind of the results that you can expect and things like that. It created 3 versions, like a pain point variation. You're using Claude the same way you did 6 months ago. That's the problem. Then it goes ahead to do this, right? And then, of course, comment prompts, and I'll send it. And so this way, I can basically start collecting these warm leads, people who comment prompts on my LinkedIn post. I send them a link. They give me their email. I give them access to the prompt pack. So now that they've given me their emails, they're in the system. I can send them an email. I can try to upsell them to the community. I can nurture that relationship and go from there. Agent number 3 is the content repurposer. So basically what happens is I publish a video to TikTok and it automatically publishes it to YouTube Shorts, to X, to Instagram, and to LinkedIn, all with different captions specific to that platform. So if you're manually uploading to every single platform and writing different captions, like that could take hours and hours of your week, but this does it automatically. And so we can see here, if we come over to my TikTok channel, I have these recent videos on my journey to build $1 million personal brand using AI. And if I come over here to YouTube, you can see I have these same videos all published. If I come over to X, I can scroll down and I have these same videos all published. I did not do this work. Same with Instagram. I can come to Instagram. We can see I have these same videos right here. And if I click into any one of them, this actually went ahead and wrote a different caption for me for Instagram. It wrote all of the hashtags and things like that. Same if I come over to my LinkedIn profile. Day 1 of building $1 million personal brand with AI. I did not have to manually post anything. This one is a little different because now we're not just requiring like a system prompt or a sole MD prompt. We're actually requiring some scripts. So again, you can just download these, give these to OpenClaw and say, hey, I need you to install these scripts to repurpose my content. It's pretty cool because it's super smart. It grabs the TikTok video, gets the transcript, and then it writes all the captions and publishes for me. Number 4 might be the most powerful AI agent that I have. This is the trend analyst. And basically what it does is it just monitors trending topics and it translates them into content ideas. So it's basically going to look at Reddit and Twitter and YouTube just to see what people are talking about in my niche or industry and what people are actually commenting on and engaging with. Because yeah, you can go out there and talk about stuff, but if people are engaging with it, that means that people don't care. Therefore, I shouldn't be out here making content on it. And so here you can see these are the weekly trends for the past week. So here are some content angles for me. So AI coding agents are breaking the internet. OpenClaw and Claude Code have been popping off everywhere. Go take a look at my YouTube channel. You can see what I've been talking about. And so it went ahead and it gave me all of these ideas for content based off of the research that it did. And this is, again, so powerful because I just set this to run like every Sunday night. So I wake up Monday morning and this is all already filled out for me. So this is its top pick. OpenClaw thinks this video will pop off. I gave OpenClaw full access to my consulting business. Pretty freaking crazy. And then went ahead and just gave me like 3, 4, 5 different ideas for content. Here, it gave me some ideas for lead magnets. And so you can start to see how these systems can work in tandem with each other, right? The AI agent safety checklist for consultants and professionals. So now what I could do is I could do something like this, and I could just copy this and go back into OpenClaw and say, hey, make me a lead magnet about this. Command V, paste this in, and now it's going to call the lead magnet agent to build me a lead magnet and a LinkedIn post. And so you can start to see how all of these agents are all connected. And again, in order to have this connection, you have the orchestrator agent transferring the data between your sub-agents. So we have all these lead magnets. We have the ranked content, which ideas it thinks it's going to perform best. Here are suggestions by format. It gives me ideas for maybe some Twitter threads that might perform well, or YouTube videos, or LinkedIn posts, blog articles, short form. So it goes ahead and just creates all of these opportunities for me to create content. And then I can work in tandem with it to create the content for me or help me out. And then here it just went ahead. It gives me all of the sources so I can actually go and visit any one of these sources to see where the information actually came from. So if you want the trend analyst, this is available inside the community. the sole MD file, which is the system prompt, and any of the scripts that you need in order to run it. And the very last agent today is the Reddit agent. I've only really been running this for a week. OpenClaw hasn't been out that long, but it's really super interesting. I have found that Reddit is a great place to build a community and build a following, but it's really hard to be active on there. It's really hard to engage with others, be in the subreddits, make your own posts, and to not appear like a bot and to not be selling things. Like Reddit is a very different audience than some of the other platforms. So I built this agent to basically scan the subreddits that I chose that are relevant to me, like N8N, SaaS, entrepreneur, some of those things, right? It goes ahead, it monitors them, it identifies any threads where people are asking problems that I solve because, again, OpenClaw understands me, who I am, and my audience. And so basically it just goes ahead and drops comments on posts that it thinks align with me and what my offering is. But it never actually goes ahead and does any sort of pitch or sales. So if we come over to Reddit, we can see my comments in the last couple of days, like not every single one of these will perform well, right? But I didn't have to post any of these. This has 70 views. This is 144 views. This has only 91, right? 29 views. But then if we come down here, this comment got 2.2 thousand views. And so what's pretty cool about this is like, yeah, not everything is going to perform super well, but I didn't have to do the work to create all of this. And so you run the same risk commenting yourself, but you're spending a lot more time doing the work. And we can see here that I have this kind of all lowercase style structure. This is so accurate, LOL. The I want to automate my business thing drives me crazy. So I tried to make it come off as like really natural sounding. And I also used a longer reply and comment format on Reddit that is actually specific to that platform and how engagement should look. So if you're still here, you get it. You don't need more AI tools. You need the systems that actually work. If you're looking to grow your audience, build a personal brand, drive traffic to your offer, I run a community called The Build Room where I help thousands of other experts just like you do the same. It's $97 a month. You get access to everything that I build along with exclusive training and tools to help you grow. You get new leads in 14 days and your next 1,500 followers in 49. That's a guarantee. The link's in the description. If you want to see more helpful use cases for OpenClaw, just check this video right here. I'll see you over there.